Hold on. Do you know that many Nigerians believe you cannot do a business or start up a business without having capital? Here, I will show you step by step on how to achieve that. Very quickly, let me remind you that you are already carrying your biggest business inside of you. Your skill is very important, and in this video I will show you how to turn your skill into cash right here in Nigeria without any investment. And these skills we're talking about has to do with writing, has to do with hairstyling, and tutoring, that is teaching, both practical and also online, and many more other skills. Welcome to Smart Money Africa channel. If you are joining us for the first time, you do well to subscribe to this channel so that each time we post our latest video, you will visit. Thank you. And let's quickly dive into our business of the day. Writing is one of the simplest skills that can fetch you money. You know, if you can write assignments for your course students, if you can write blog posts, social media captions, or even CVs around, you can easily turn those things into money. So there are platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, but of course you don't even need that at the moment. All you need is those your WhatsApp groups where you relate with one or two persons and LinkedIn accounts. Okay, you can put down your write-up and render your services and you'll be paid for it. You can imagine that thing you are doing for free and eventually becomes your business. That will be a massive win for you. Alright, another skill I would like to talk about is tutoring, that is teaching. If you are good in English language, mathematics, computer science, or even music, you can teach others. These days, parents are always looking for private teachers for their children. You don't need fancy office, just your knowledge can work for you and your willingness to do what you want to do, okay? I know of one or two parents who they allow someone who is good in keyboard will come to the house and teach their children piano in their living room, okay, and get paid on weekly basis, or that is cash from skill. So take it serious. Again, cooking. You know, if you can cook or bake, you can start selling plates of food, small chops or snacks from home, within and among your neighbors. Start with family and friends. Use WhatsApp status to post your meals. You don't need to rent a shop immediately. I know of a lady, my very good friend, who started baking meat pie with her neighbor's oven and sold it to church members. Today she runs a full catering business after just like 4 years. So your cooking skill can feed you and even feed others. Not only that, it can also fetch you money, very good cash. Next I'll be talking about is digital skills. Digital skills are gold. In today's world, if you can design flyers on Canva, edit videos on CapCut, manage social media accounts, or even snap clean photos, people will pay you for this. There are businesses out there online and they need content. You don't need a laptop. All you need is that your phone you're holding in your hand and a few couple of apps that are free to use, and you can just offer your services around people that know you, let's say small shops, church, or even salons. They will pay you amount of money for the service you are rendering. As you grow, you can increase your price. That is how many young Nigerians are making steady money right now in the country. In Nigeria, hair will always sell. So if you can braid style or cut hair, You already have a money spinning machine. You don't need a salon to start. You can start from the comfort of your room, your corridor, or go to people's home to offer neat styles for them for an affordable price, and let word of mouth do the rest for you. I know of a young man in Abuja who started cutting hair for his hostel mates, yes, hostel mates, with a simple clipper. Today he owns a barbing shop in Gwagwalada. That is the power of starting small with the skill that you have. So there you have it. 5 skills you can turn into cash today. Writing, hairstyling, teaching, cooking, and digital services. The truth is, you don't need millions to begin. You just need to value what you already know and start it with the world around you. Don't wait for capital before you start. Start small, start now, and grow big. Step by step, your skill can become your source of income. Now, I would like you to subscribe to Smart Money Africa channel for more practical business ideas and guides to help you turn your hustle into success. And in the comment section, don't forget to tell me what type of skill you have already that you can start using to make money today. I love to hear from you. Thank you very much. Bye.